Oh yeah, got a great storage queue. It's pretty good. Alright, so I got 2 more unboxing of the Epic Box and 8-ball pool. I'd like to thank my sponsors. 3,000 coins, a free spin. We got another scratcher. And we got the Hercules queue. It's actually pretty good. Has a nice force, aim, spin, and time. It's very good. Alright, now time for the last one. Alright, so I got another 1,200 coins. That puts me at 21,643 coins. I got a nice scratcher. And I got a Sparta queue. I wish I had one named after Hitler, but I'm not complaining. So I'll do my spins also. Let's see, spin, 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 give me something good. So it's 500 coins plus the 1.25 gold VIP bonus that I have, which puts me at 625. It's pretty good. Let's see what I get for my other spin. Nice 100 coins. With my 1.25 gold VIP bonus, that's 125 coins right there. Let's see, I got one more spin after this. That puts me at another 500 with 625 coins. Let's hope for something good. Oh yeah, another 500 coins. Alright guys, I'll show you my scratchers right now. So, let's see. I used to usually cheat. I go like this, just so I can view the numbers. See, like this. And then I just scratch because I have nothing. So, better luck next time. It's like, it doesn't really bother me, because I have bands already. See, another nice 100 coins. This is false advertisement for not letting me win. Better luck next time. See, this game's actually like a piece of shit, so I'm gonna sue. So, I'm accepting all these gifts now. Yeah, that's my girlfriend right there. So, yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, look at that, we actually have one more box right here. Nice 60 coins. A victory queue. Alright guys, that will be it for this one. Remember to like and subscribe. I will see y'all the next time I decide to make a stupid unboxing video.